How to create accessible documents in Microsoft Word. On the screen is a section or a portion of a syllabus. This syllabus has two sections: course description and student learning outcomes. Both have content. It is important that these areas, course description and student learning outcomes, are headings, because headings allow those who are visually impaired to use screen readers to properly read the content that's on the screen. In order to set a heading, navigate to the Home tab in Microsoft Word, and if you move to the right, you will see headings, heading 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. And the first one is the normal setting. Normal text. This is the text, the body of your text. So as you can see, each heading has different styles. Also, headings are nested. For example, these would be subtitles under a main title. So for example, heading 5 would appear under heading 4, heading 4 would appear under heading 3, heading 3 would appear under heading 2, and heading 2 would appear under heading 1. I'm going to type that so you can see what I mean by nesting. Heading 1, this would be heading 2, heading 3, heading 4, and so on. In addition to the headings, we just typed in some text. So how do you make those actual headings? You want to click on the text and then select the desired heading in the ribbon. As you can see, when I click on that, it changed this heading to match this style. If I click on heading 2 in the body of the document and then click heading in the ribbon, it changes that heading style, and so on. So what if we don't want green text? You can go and modify your headings by right-clicking, selecting Modify. You can change the name. You can select the desired font. I'm going to select Arial. You can change the font size. I'm going to change it to 14 point, for example. You can set the style, whether it's bold, italic, or underline. And you can also change the font color. I'm going to select a blue. You will see the changes in this area that you make. Here is where you can set the left justify, center, right justify, or fully justify for that particular heading. Here is the spacing, whether single space or double spaced, and you can set the indentation. In addition to this, you can modify the font, the paragraph, have borders on there, numbering, and so forth. In addition to this, you can actually add this style to the style gallery. And I'll talk about the style gallery in a second. So here what we did here is we're going to go ahead and change this or save this setting. And so now you will see that anytime we select the text and select heading 1, it would appear and make the modification to the text. If you had added a new heading and changed the name, you could select the checkbox here and add that style to the gallery. So this concludes how you make a Microsoft Word document accessible.